Are you looking for a single-story home with a spacious lot? Well, 24095 Villa Luisa might be the home for you. Let's check it out. One of the great things about living here on Villa Luisa is you're close to 4 neighborhood parks. Just down the road from there is all the great things at Lake Mission Viejo, including the private beach, the docks, the boats that you can rent. They stock it with fish, they do concerts and movies. The 4th of July celebration there is definitely worth checking out. So just around the corner from this great location. Thank you for viewing 24095 Villa Luisa. For further information or to schedule your own private showing, call the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services.